Hello everyone, welcome back in Rai Smart Classes. In the chapter-wise MCQ Marathon series, today we will revise Class 10 Science Chapter 12 Electricity MCQs with answer. Now let us start the MCQs. तो आज हम चैप्टर 12 इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का MCQs करेंगे और इसको रिवाइज करेंगे जिससे कि हम एग्जाम में 20 मार्क्स के जो MCQs आएंगे एक नंबर के उसको 100% ओके 20 में 20 कर सकें। स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिप्रेजेंट्स वोल्टेज? ऑप्शन ए वर्क डन अपॉन करंट इनटू टाइम, ऑप्शन बी वर्क डन इनटू चार्ज, ऑप्शन सी वर्क डन इनटू टाइम अपॉन करंट, ऑप्शन डी वर्क डन इनटू चार्ज इनटू टाइम। तो वोल्टेज रिप्रेजेंट work done upon current into time. That is the correct answer, option A. Next question, what is the amount of current flowing through an electric press if the amount of charge passing through a conductor in 10 minutes is 300 coulomb? तो amount of current क्या होगा, इलेक्ट्रिक प्रेस में क्या पास करेगा, 300 है, मतलब 300 अपॉन 10 इंटू 60 मिनट्स को सेकंड में बदल देंगे। दैट मीन्स कि ऑप्शन है 30 एम्पियर, बी 0.3 एम्पियर, सी 0.5 एम्पियर एंड डी 5 एम्पियर। द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी 0.5 एम्पियर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, चार्ज ऑन 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इज ऑप्शन ए -9.1 into 10 to the power -19 C, option B -1.6 into 10 to the power -19 C, option D +9.1 into 10 to the power -19 C, और option D 1.6 into 10 to the power -19 C. The correct answer is B -1.6 into 10 to the power -19 C, because electron is negatively charged, इसलिए ये नेगेटिव 1.6 into 10 to the power -19 C. Next question, the current flow in conductor is due to option A free electrons, option B protons, option C ions, option D neutrons. So current flow in conductor is due to free electrons. That is the correct answer, option A. Next question, question 5, electrical resistivity of a given metallic wire depends upon option A its length, option B its thickness, option C nature of the material, and option D its shape. Then metallic wire depends on electrical resistivity, nature of the material. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 6, the least resistance obtained by using 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 1 ohm and 100 ohm is? least resistance किस में आएगा, 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 1 ohm and 100 ohm. Option less than 100 ohm, less than 4 ohm, less than 1 ohm and D greater than 2 ohm. Least resistance is correct answer, less than 1 ohm. Option C is correct. Next question, question 7, in the given figure the resistor, हमें फिगर दिया हुआ क्या, 3 ohm, 6 ohm, 9 ohm, ये दोनों क्या, और ये सीरीज में है, ये यहाँ के आगे पैरेलल जुड़ के यहाँ सीरीज वेरिएबल हो गए। तो 6 ohm, 3 ohm and 9 ohm series are in series. Option B, 9 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel and the combination in the series 3 ohm. Option C, 3 ohm, 6 ohm and 9 ohm are in parallel. Option D, 3 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel and the combination is in the series of 9 ohm. That figure show the correct answer is D. 3 ohm and 6 ohm are in parallel and the combination is in the series of with 9 ohm. That is the correct answer. Next question. What is the minimum resistance which can be made using 5 resistors each of 1 by 5 ohm? Option A 1 by 5 ohm, option B 1 by 25 ohm, option C 1 by 10 ohm and option D 25 ohm. So minimum resistance which can made using 5 resistors is 1 by 25 ohm. That is the addition of 5, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, that is 1 by 25 ohm. Correct answer is D. Next question. The unit of EMF of a cell is electromotive force of a cell is Dian, B volt, C ampere, D joule. So the unit of EMF of a cell is volt. Option B is correct. Next question. Kilowatt hour is the unit of option A power, option B energy, option C impulse and option D force. Kilowatt hour is the unit of energy. Correct answer. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to option A 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 mj, 3.6 into 10 to the power 5 mj, 3.6 into 10 to the power 2 mj and 3.6 mj. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 mj. That is the correct answer. Next question. Unit of resistance is option A ohm, B ohm per centimeter, C ohm centimeter and D volt. The unit of resistance is ohm. Option A correct. Next question. Two resistors R1 and R2 are connected in parallel. Its equivalent resistance will be, दो रेजिस्टेंस R1 और R2 जो है पैरेलल कनेक्टेड है तो इनका इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा? ऑप्शन ए R1 प्लस R2, ऑप्शन बी R1 इंटू R2, ऑप्शन सी R1 इंटू R2 अपॉन R1 प्लस R2, ऑप्शन डी R1 प्लस R2 अपॉन R1 इंटू R2. So the equivalent resistance of two resistors is option C R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2. That is the correct answer. Next question. If n conducting wire each having 4 ohm resistance are connected in a parallel, equivalent resistance of this combination is 4 by n. Correct answer. Option क्या है? 4n, 4 by n by 4, 4n square. So that is the correct answer, 4 by n, option B. Next question. Question 15. A cell, a resistor, a key and ammeter are arranged as shown in the circuit diagram of figure 12.1. The current recorded in the ammeter will be, एक डायग्राम दिया है, 3 डायग्राम. That is क्या है? Key, on off switch. That is a resistor, ammeter और सेल, प्लस माइनस या अमीटर हो गया। यहाँ सेकंड फिगर में सेल, रेजिस्टेंस, की, अमीटर, एंड थर्ड में रेजिस्टेंस, की, सेल एंड अमीटर। द करंट रिकॉर्डेड इन द अमीटर विल बी, क्या होगा? ऑप्शन मैक्सिमम इन 1, ऑप्शन बी मैक्सिमम इन 2, ऑप्शन सी maximum in 3, and option D the same in all the cases. So the correct answer of this question is option D the same in all the cases. जो करंट रिकॉर्डेड होगा अमीटर में सेम होगा एवरी केस में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन 16, in the following circuit figure 12.2 the heat produced in the resistor or combination of resistor connected to a 12 volt battery will be, जो फिगर है ये 2 ओम 12 बैटरी से जुड़ा हुआ है, ये सीरीज में 2 ओम एंड 2 ओम 12 बैटरी से जुड़ा है, दैट इज ए पैरेलल 2 ओम एंड 2 ओम, ये 12 वोल्ट बैटरी से जुड़ा है। तो क्या है? द हीट प्रोड्यूस इन द रजिस्टर और कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रजिस्टर connected to the 12 volt battery will be same in all cases, minimum in case 1, maximum in case 2 and maximum in case 3। तो जो हीट प्रोड्यूस होगा मैक्सिमम होगा फिगर 2 केस 2 में, क्योंकि सीरीज में जुड़ा हुआ है। दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर, सी मैक्सिमम इन केस 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन 17, a current of 1 ampere is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb. Number of electrons passing through a cross section of the filament in 16 seconds would be roughly, option A 10 to the power 20, option B 10 to the power 16, option C 10 to the power 18 and option D 10 to the power 23। So the correct answer is option A 10 to the power 20। Next question, if the current flowing through a fixed resistor is halved, the heat produced in it will become, option A 1/4, option B 1/2, option C double and option D 4 times। So if the current flowing through a fixed resistor is halved, the heat produced in it will become 1/4, option A correct। Next question, question 19, material which allow larger currents to flow through them are called insulator, conductors, semiconductors and D alloys। तो material which allow larger currents to flow through them are called conductor। सबसे ज्यादा जो करंट फ्लो करेगा दैट इज गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, conventionally the direction of current is taken as the direction of flow of negative charge, option B the direction flow of atoms, option C the direction of flow of molecules, option D the direction of flow of positive charge। That is the correct answer, option D is the correct answer, because conventionally the direction of current is taken as the direction of the flow of positive charge। Next question, the unit of specific resistance is ohm, option B coulomb, option C ohm meter, option D ohm per meter। The unit of specific resistance is ohm meter, option C is correct। Next question, question 22, two devices are connected between 2 points say A and B in parallel. the physical quantity that will remain the same between the 2 points is option A current, option B voltage, option C resistance, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B, voltage is remain the same between 2 points. If two devices are connected between 2 points in parallel, the physical quantity that will remain the same between the 2 points is voltage. Next question. When electric current is passed, electrons move from option A high potential to low potential, option B low potential to high potential, option C in the direction of the current, option D against the direction of the current. The correct answer is option B, low potential to high potential. When electric current is passed, electrons move from low potential to high potential. Next question. Question 24. The image show as circuit diagram. एक इमेज है, ये क्या बता रहा है? सर्किट डायग्राम, वोल्टेज इन, resistance R1 and R2, a voltmeter. What is being measured using the voltmeter? A. Current in the circuit, voltage in the circuit, voltage across the resistor, and option D, resistance offered by the resistor. The image showed that the voltmeter used to measure the voltage across the resistor. Option C is correct. Next question. Question 25. Work of 14 joule is done to move 2 coulomb charge between two positions of conducting wire. What is the potential difference between the 2 points? Option A 28 volt, option B 14 volt, option C 7 volt, and option D 3.5 volt. The potential difference between the 2 points is 7 volt. Option C is correct. Next question. A fuse wire repeatedly gets burnt when used with good heater. It is advised to use fuse wire of option A more length, option B less radius, option C less length, and option D more radius. If a fuse wire repeatedly gets burnt when used with good heater, then we use fuse wire of more radius. Option D is correct. Question 27. A circuit has a charge of 2 coulomb moving through it in 3 seconds. Which electrical component in the circuit, if present, is show the current? Option A voltmeter will show a current of 6 ampere. Ammeter will show a current of 0.7 ampere. Rheostat will show a current of 0.7 ampere, and resistor will show a current of 0.35 ampere. So a circuit has charge 2 coulomb moving through it in 3 सेकेंड. तो जो इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपोनेंट सर्किट में है वो कितना करंट शो करेगा? तो क्या होगा? अमीटर करेगा, शो करेगा कितना? 0.7, लगभग 0.7 एम्पियर. 3 मतलब 3 सेकेंड में, मतलब तो जो करंट क्या होगा? 2/3, तो लगभग 0.7 ampere. So ammeter will show a current of 0.7 ampere. Option B is correct. Next question. What is the relationship between resistance and current? They are directly related to each other. They are inversely related to each other. Their resistance has a greater magnitude than current. The current has a greater magnitude than resistance. The relationship between resistance and current are they are inversely related to each other. Option B is correct. Next question. The resistance whose VI graph is given below is एक ग्राफ दिया हुआ है वोल्ट और एम्पियर का मतलब करंट का. इसमें रेजिस्टेंस क्या है 5/3 ओम. ऑप्शन बी 3/5 ओम. ऑप्शन सी 5/2 ओम. ऑप्शन डी 2/5 ओम. तो the resistance in given VI graph, option B is correct, 3/5 ohm. 3/5 ohm R equal to B upon I. Next question. A cooler of 1500 watt, 200 volt and a fan of 500 watt, 200 volt are to be used from a household supply. The rating of fuse to be used is, एक घर में कूलर जो लगा है 1500 वाट और 200 वोल्ट और फैन जो लगा 500 वाट 200 वोल्ट, तो उसमें हाउस होल्ड सप्लाई में जो फ्यूज लगेगा वो किस रेटिंग का लगेगा? ए 2.5 एम्पियर, बी 5.05 एम्पियर, सी 7.5 एम्पियर एंड डी 10 एम्पियर. द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी 10 एम्पियर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The current of 1.5 ampere flow through a wire of resistance 1.5 ohm. The potential difference across the wire is 22.5 volt, 2.25 volt, 1 volt and D 0.225 volt. The correct answer is C 1.1 volt. That is the correct answer. Next question. The value of current during short circuit is, option A is 0, option B is very high, option C does not change, option D changes continuously. So the value of current during short circuit is very high. Option B is correct. Next question. According to Ohm's law, a graph between voltage and current will be a straight line, a circle, a semicircle, a line changing its direction continuously. So according to Ohm's law, a graph between voltage and current will be always a straight line. That is a correct answer. A is a straight line. Next question. Question 34. Which combination of a 2 ohm resistor and 4 ohm resistor offer the least resistance to current in the circuit? Option A, series combination which result in net resistance of 2 ohm. Parallel combination which result in net resistance of 2 ohm. Series combination which result in the net resistance of 1.5 ohm. And parallel combination which result in net resistance of 0.5 ohm. Option D is correct. Parallel combination which result in the net resistance of 0.5 ohm. When combination of 2 ohm and 4 ohm resistor offer least resistance to the current, then parallel combination which result the net resistance of 0.5 ohm is correct. Next question. In an electrical circuit, two resistors of 2 ohm and 4 ohm respectively are connected in a series to 6 volt battery. The heat dissipated by 4 ohm resistor in 5 seconds will be 5 joule, 10 joule, option C 20 joule and option D 30 joule. The heat dissipated by 4 ohm resistor in 5 seconds is 4 into 5, 20 joule. Option C is correct. Next question. Question 36. The variable resistance is called resistor, rheostat, open switch, none of these. So the variable resistance is called rheostat. Option B is correct. Question 37. Fill in the blanks. Measure the potential difference between 2 points of the circuit. In which equipment measure? Voltmeter measures the potential difference between 2 points of the circuit. Next question. Ammeter is used to measure the magnitude of electric current through any wire of a circuit. Next question. Copper and aluminum are used for electric transmission line because both possess क्या? Low resistivity, good conductor of electricity. Next question. Question 40. The rate at which electric energy is consumed or dissipated is called electric power. Next question. Presence of chemically inactive gases like argon and nitrogen prolong the life of the filament. जो बल्ब में फिलामेंट होता है या उसमें क्या होता है, केमिकली इनएक्टिव गैसेज होते हैं आर्गन और नाइट्रोजन, जिससे कि उसकी लाइफ बढ़ती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. An electric kettle consumes 1 kilowatt of electric power when operated at 220 volt. A fuse wire of what rating must be used for it? 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 4 ampere, 5 ampere. The correct answer is D, 5 ampere. Next question. Two electric bulbs having resistance in the ratio 1:2. If they are joined in series, the energy consumed in them is in the ratio is option A 2:1, option B 1:2, option C 4:1, and option D 1:1. The correct answer is option B 1:2. If two bulbs have resistance in the ratio 1:2, then they are joined in series, then the energy consumed in them is the ratio of 1:2. Next question. Question 44. Two appliances of rating 200 watt 250 volt and 100 watt 250 volt are joined in a series to a 250 volt supply. Total power consumed in the circuit is. दो अप्लायंसेज है जिनकी रेटिंग 200 वाट 250 वोल्ट है, एक 100 वाट और 250 वोल्ट है, जो सीरीज में 250 वोल्ट पावर सप्लाई में ज्वाइंट है. तो टोटल पावर कंज्यूम्ड इन द सर्किट इज ऑप्शन ए 46 वाट, ऑप्शन बी 67 वाट, ऑप्शन सी 10 watt, and option D 30 watt. The correct answer is B 67 watt. Next question. When a current I flow through a resistance R for time t, the electrical energy spent is given by option A IRT, option B I square RT, option C IR square T, option D I square R upon T. So when electric current I flow through a resistance R of time t, the electrical energy spent is I square RT. Option B is correct. Next question. Question 46. An electrical appliance has a resistance of 25 ohm. When this electrical appliance is connected to a 230-volt supply line, the current passing through it will be A. 0.92 ampere, B. 2.9 ampere, C. 9.2 ampere, and D. 92 ampere. The correct answer is C. 9.2 ampere. Next question. Keeping the potential difference constant, the resistance of the circuit is halved. The current will become 1/4, option B 4 times, option C half, and option D double. So when keeping the potential difference constant, the resistance of the circuit is halved. The current will become double. Option D is correct. Next question. Question 48. If in a given arrangement the three resistors are to be replaced by a single resistor, what will be the value of this resistor? हमें एक ये फिगर दिया हुआ है जिसमें तीन रजिस्टर लगे हैं, दो पैरेलल में, 6 ओम 6 ओम और एक 6 ओम का कॉम्बिनेशन में. तो अगर हमें ये तीनों को बदल के एक सिंगल रजिस्टर लगाना हो तो क्या करेंगे? ऑप्शन 4 ओम 6 ओम 9 ओम एंड 18 ओम. तो ये 6 इनसे मतलब हाफ 3 ओम प्लस 6 ओम. तो अगर हम एक 9 ओम का रजिस्टर लगा दे तो सेम अरेंजमेंट हो जाएगा. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज C, 9 ohm resistor. Next question. The potential difference across the 3 ohm resistor in the following diagram is 2 volt बैटरी लगा है, 1 ohm, 2 ohm और 3 ohm, तीन सीरीज में लगे हुए हैं रजिस्टर. तो क्या करें? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस द 3 ohm resistor in the following diagram is ऑप्शन ए 1/9 volt, ऑप्शन बी 1/2 volt, ऑप्शन सी 2 volt, ऑप्शन डी 1 volt. Correct answer is option D 1 volt. Next question. Question 50. V1, V2 and V3 are the potential difference across 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm resistor in the following diagram, and the current is 5 ampere. V1, V2, V3, 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm और करंट जो है 5 एम्पियर है. Which of the following show the correct value of V1, V2 and V3 measured in volt? Option A V1 equal to 1, option B V2 equal to V1 equal to 1, V2 equal to 2 and V3 equal to 3. Option B V1 equal to 5, V2 equal to 10 and V3 equal to 15. Option C V1 equal to 5, V2 equal to 2.5 and V3 equal to 1.6. And option D V1 equal to 4, V2 equal to 3 and V3 equal to 2. The correct answer in this figure से क्या मिलेगा? ऑप्शन बी V1 equal to 5, V2 equal to 10, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10 and 5 into 3 15, V3 equal to 15. That is the correct answer. Option B is correct. Next question. Question 51. Identify the circuit given figure 12.3 in which the electrical component have been properly connected. हमें ये फिगर दिए हुए हैं जिसमें हमें ये बताना है कि जो इलेक्ट्रिकल जो कंपोनेंट है सारे प्रॉपरली कनेक्ट हैं. क्या है? ये रजिस्टर है, ये बैटरी है, ये की है, वोल्ट मीटर माइनस प्लस एंड अमीटर माइनस प्लस. फिगर 2 में ये रजिस्टर, वोल्ट मीटर, बैटरी, की एंड अमीटर. ऑप्शन सी रजिस्टर, अमीटर, बैटरी, की voltmeter, and option D resistor, voltmeter and ammeter. ये प्लस माइनस, ये भी प्लस माइनस यहाँ पे की. तो द करेक्ट कनेक्शन of this circuit is option 2, B. B is correct. That is the properly electrical component connected in the circuit. Next question. What is the maximum resistance which can be used? What is the maximum resistance which can be made using 5 resistor each of 1/5 ohm? अगर मैक्सिमम रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा जब हम क्या करेंगे, एक साथ 5 रेजिस्टर 1/5 ओम का यूज करते हैं. ऑप्शन ए 1/5 ओम, ऑप्शन बी 10 ओम, ऑप्शन सी 5 ओम एंड ऑप्शन डी 1 ओम. तो मैक्सिमम रेजिस्टेंस इज 1 ओम. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 53. The proper representation of the series combination of cell given in figure 12.4 obtain maximum potential is. हमें ये फिगर दिए हुए हैं जो सीरीज में कॉम्बिनेशन है सेल का. फिगर 1 में पॉजिटिव माइनस, फिर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव. सेकेंड में पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव. थर्ड में पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, फिर नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव. एंड फोर्थ पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव. तो द करेक्ट representation of cell combination in series, option A. The in figure 12.4 the option A figure 1 is correct representation, that is a combination of cell in series. Next question. Question 54. A cylindrical conductor of length L and uniform area of cross section A has resistance R. Another conductor of length 2L and resistance R of the same material has an area of cross section is. Option A, A by 2, option B 3A by 2, option C 2A, option D 3A. Option C is correct, 2A. Next question. If the current I through a resistor is increased by 100%, assume the temperature remains unchanged. The increase in power dissipated will be 100%, 200%, 300% and 400%. The correct answer is C, 300%. If current I through a resistor is increased by 100%, the increase in power dissipated will be 300%. Next question. Question 56. A student carries out an experiment and plot the VI graph of the 3 samples of nichrome wire with a resistance R1, R2 and R3 respectively, as given in figure 12.2. Which of the following is true? VI ग्राफ एक स्टूडेंट ने 3 सैंपल का किया, R1, R2 and R3 का. तो which of the, तो R1 equal option A R1 equal to R2 equal to R3, option B R1 greater than R2 greater than R3, option C R3 greater than R2 greater than R1. Option D, R2 greater than R3 greater than R1. The correct answer is option C, R3 greater than R2 greater than R1. R3 greater than R2 greater than R1. Next question. The resistivity does not change if option A, the material is changed. Option B, the temperature is changed. Option C, the shape of the resistor is changed. And option D, both material and temperature are changed. So the resistivity does not change if the shape of the resistor is changed. Option C is correct. Next question. Question 58. In an electrical circuit, three incandescent bulbs A, B and C of rating 40 watt, 60 watt and 100 watt respectively are connected in a parallel to an electric source. Which of the following is likely to happen regarding their brightness? तीन बल्ब ए बी सी 40, 60 एंड 100 वाट के पैरेलल में इलेक्ट्रिक सोर्स से कनेक्ट हैं. अब क्या होगा रिगार्डिंग देयर ब्राइटनेस में? ऑप्शन, द ब्राइटनेस ऑफ ऑल द बल्ब्स विल बी द सेम. द ब्राइटनेस ऑफ बल्ब ए विल बी द मैक्सिमम. द ब्राइटनेस ऑफ बल्ब बी विल बी मोर देन दैट ऑफ ए. And the brightness of C will be less than that of B. So the correct answer is C. The brightness of bulb B will be more than that of A. जो brightness bulb B का होगा वो bulb A से ज्यादा होगा. Because ये जो बल्ब है तीनों पैरेलल में लगे हैं. ये 40 वाट का बल्ब है, 60 वाट का है, तो इसकी ब्राइटनेस 40 वाट से ज्यादा होगी क्योंकि ये पैरेलल में कनेक्टेड है पावर सोर्स से. 100 वाट की 60 वाट से ज्यादा होगी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Two resistor of resistance 2 ohm and 4 ohm when connected to a battery will have option A, same current flowing through them when connected in parallel. Option B, same current flowing through them when connected in series. Option C, the same potential difference across them when connected in series. Option D, different potential difference across them when connected in series. When two resistors of resistance 2 and 4 ohm when connected to battery will same current flowing through them when connected in series. The correct answer option B is correct. Next question. Question 60. तो जो क्वेश्चन 60 से 63 क्वेश्चंस हैं ये क्या है, एसर्शन और रीजन पे दिए हुए हैं. एसर्शन भी दिया है और उसका रीजन भी दिया है और हमें अब बताना है कि क्या एसर्शन और रीजन दोनों सही हैं, क्या रीजन एसर्शन का सही एक्सप्लेनेशन है. तो इसको जो एसर्शन है और रीजन है वो काफी केयरफुली तरीके से पढ़ के फिर इसको आंसर किया जाता है. जैसे कि क्वेश्चन 60 एसर्शन क्या है, in an open circuit the current passes from one terminal of electric cell to another. Reason क्या है, generally the metal disc of a cell acts as a positive terminal. अब इसमें ऑप्शन क्या है, both the assertion and reason are correct and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Option B, the assertion and the reason are correct, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Option C, assertion is true, but the reason is false. Option D, the statement of assertion is false, but the reason is true. तो in above given assertion and reason, option D is correct because the assertion is false but the reason given is true. Next question. Question 61. Assertion: when battery is short circuit, the terminal voltage is 0. Reason: in short circuit the current is 0. Option A, the assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B, assertion and reason are correct but the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C, assertion is true but the reason is false. Option D, assertion is false but the reason is true. In this case, assertion: when battery is short circuit, the terminal voltage is 0. That is a correct. But reason: in short circuit, the current is 0. That is not correct. That means option C is correct. Assertion is true but the reason is false. Next question. Question 62. Assertion: conductors allows the current to flow through themselves. Reason: they have free charge carriers. Option A, assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B, assertion and reason are correct but the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C, assertion is true but the reason is false. Option D, assertion is false but the reason is true. The correct answer is A, the assertion and reason are true and the reason is correct explanation of assertion, because conductor allow the current to flow through themselves. कंडक्टर जो क्या है, allow करते हैं, और they have क्यों, क्योंकि they have free charge carrier. Then both are correct and the reason is also a correct explanation of assertion. Next question. Question 63. Assertion: bending of wire decrease the resistance of electric wire. Reason: the resistance of conductor depends on length, thickness, nature of material and temperature of the conductor. Option A, assertion and reason are correct and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion and reason are correct but the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C, assertion is true but the reason is false. Option D, assertion is false but the reason is true. The correct answer is the assertion and reason are correct and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. That means कि assertion and reason both are true or reason represents the correct explanation of assertion. तो आज चैप्टर 12 इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का जो एमसीक्यूज है हमने अपने से जो तैयार किया वो कंप्लीट यहीं समाप्त होता है, और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप इसको जितनी बार रिवाइज करेंगे, और हमने इससे पहले इस सीरीज में चैप्टर 1 का दिया है, जिससे कि हमारा मेन मोटो क्या है, जो 20 नंबर्स के एमसीक्यूज आएंगे वो 100% करेक्ट हो, क्योंकि अगर नंबर ज़्यादा जो लाना है तो जो जहाँ पे कटने की बिल्कुल संभावना ना हो, तो 1 नंबर के क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल ही सही होने चाहिए। तो इसी पे फोकस करते हुए हमने एमसीक्यू मैराथन सीरीज चैप्टर वाइज लिया है। आप रिवाइज इसको करते रहिए। पीछे भी हमने और चैप्टर 1 का भी बनाया है, तो जितना रिवीजन करेंगे करेक्टनेस उतना ही बढ़ता जाएगा। तो नेक्स्ट सेशन में नए चैप्टर का रिवीजन करेंगे। यही समाप्त करते हैं। थैंक यू।